Hello dear subscribers, today I will tell you how you can easily fix your problem and unknown error, network error occurred when you're using your Instagram app. So how you can fix it. So for fixing it, first thing just close your Instagram app and just open it again. So after just go to the settings. In the settings you need to find your airplane mode, just turn it on and turn off. So after just go to Wi-Fi, just turn it off and turn on again. So if you're using mobile data or cellular data, just turn off and turn on again. So after just go to the general. In the general just scroll down, just tap on shutdown, slide to power off, wait a few seconds and just power on your phone again. So just simple restore your phone. And if it doesn't help you, if you still have this error, so you can also just fix it and in another way. So just go to App Store, just go to search tab. In search tab just write Instagram, and if you see here not open but update, just tap on update and wait until it will successfully install the latest updates for your Instagram. So thanks for watching, have a nice day, subscribe to my channel if you like, and goodbye.